bringing you the news and information you need from the people making a difference. This is Comcast Newsmakers.
Hello and thank you for joining us. I'm Lisa Aprati and this is Comcast Newsmakers. This hour's newsmaker is Greg Hansel, president of the Hansel Open. And today's topic is on the Hansel Open. And Greg, it's great to have you on. I know the Hansel Open is all about a tennis tournament benefiting a particular organization, and this year you're benefiting the Amber Coalition. What is the Amber Coalition?
Yes, Amber Coalition is Polish-American breast cancer awareness program. Dr. Marek Rudnicki is doing it every year. It's basically it's providing examination for the woman who cannot afford it.
Okay, so it's basically also for early detection.
Yes, mammograms and examination, right?
That's wonderful. So each year you actually do a different charity or a different organization that you give the money to, and you've been doing this. It'll be 7 years. What are some of the other organizations that you've worked with?
Last year we gave money to the teacher who is running a program in Peru. He's teaching Indian children English language.
Oh, okay.
Actually, they could work as a guides. They don't have to depend on some other people.
I see.
So that'll be nice. There was a third year we put $5,000 there, and the year before we sent some money to Poland to poor people, and the year before we gave money to a Polish guy who lives on the south side.
Okay.
He needs a kidney transplant.
That's wonderful. So why did you decide that the tennis tournament was the route that you wanted to go?
I don't know. I like tennis. That's probably main reason we start the tournament. And first we start tournament like 6 years ago. There was like 30 people. Then the people start coming up, and was more and more people. And last year we had over 150 people playing.
That's great.
So last year we did more categories because there was some guys who were coming from college, like more professional players. So last year we did a Pro-Am category, which we had over 32 players. And this year is going to be also a Pro-Am category. It's really high quality tennis. So everyone wants invited to watch that matches. But
they can also get involved too if they want to participate.
Of course, because we do have amateurs open, and we have age categories, which like tennis for everyone. So we have age categories, which is 35 years old and older, and 45 years and over, and 55 and over.
That's wonderful. And
so
then
it's like for everyone.
It is for everyone. It's for pretty much all of the age groups. And when it comes to the event, it's June 9th through the 11th, and then 16th and the 18th. Yes,
this is a couple weekends, because usually during the week the people cannot play.
Okay.
We're talking about people who are working, so we start Friday evening, then we have Saturday and Sunday. And next week we have also a Friday evening, and Saturday going to be semifinals, and going to have finals on Sunday.
Wonderful. Tell me a little bit about the trophy itself, because it's a very unique trophy, specific for this particular, for your organization.
Yes, it's really unique, because that was made by the artist in Poland and was designed especially for our tournament. So there is no other trophy like this.
Okay.
And there's a breast statue, there's a vision of that artist. The name of the artist is Michael Batkiewicz. He lives in Krakow in Poland, and every year we just change the number on the breast of that player.
Okay.
But this is when you see look at the trophy, it's not really like actually tennis player taking from the picture. When you make a picture of tennis player,
it's a beautiful trophy.
It's an artist's vision, so
right.
That's why it's very unique.
Well, tell us where people can find out more information about signing up for the tournament and then just watching it.
All information is on our website, which is www.hanselopen.com. There will be scheduling. You can print out the form of participation. You can mail that form. And you also can see when the match is going to be. And the match is going to be in Norwich, actually, in a 5-season country club.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for telling us about it. Again, the Hansel Open will be June 9th through the 11th, and again 16th through the 18th at 5-Season Sports Country Club in Northbrook. Greg, it was wonderful meeting you, and I wish you the best with this particular organization. It's always nice to promote breast cancer awareness, so thank you.
Thank you very much.
This hour's newsmaker has been Greg Hansel. I'm Lisa Aprati, and thank you for joining us.
The preceding was a presentation of Comcast Newsmakers. Now back to CNN Headline News.